Hello, now I'm going to talk to you about our project called The Tower of the Comics. It's simple like it sounds. It's a virtual store that where you can buy any comics that you like. Some comics that you like to buy, like for example, Spider-Man's comics, X-Men's comics, Avengers comics. I don't know what comics do you like to read, but it's a simple virtual store. Let's start. First, we have our servlet ads controller. The first method to get only send information to a JCP called ad. What type of information? First, um, uh, he searched in our persistence for roles and resource, and it it sends to add JCP for using a request dispatcher object. We create a request dispatcher object and we forward it. Now in the JCP we use this information for do two drop down tables. Just do drop down tables. One is for resource and the another is for roles. It's that you can choose and do some access for roles like administrator, employee, user roles. It sends information to uh, the post methods. This method is the more important, I think, in this video because we are talking about how send message to our clients that he have a new access to another access like create delete uh, access from the CRUD. Well, first it does a query where ID role is equal to role sent for 8 GCP and resource equal request get parameter or L is the same that role is sent for at JCP. Now we create a no we put it in a list of resource called resource. It's a list of access. You see if the resource is empty, we don't have this access, so we need to create it. And so we create and it's a new access, else doesn't have anything. But first, when the second query is for users, where ID role is the same that request get parameter role. It's the same that it, but we need to know what information the user, what roles he give them new access. For example, can be create, read, update, run, all the CRUD, maybe. I don't know. We put these users in a list of users. Then we create a email array list of strings called emails where put it we put in emails all the emails of our users. In this form we do it. We did it. Then in the request dispatcher we set attributes emails. It's a array list from the emails of the users and the access is the URL uh, that we the new access that we give them. Then we create a request dispatcher too, and we close the persistence, and we send this to the servlet send email. In this servlet we have company's name and email. The sender email is La Torre de los Comics Corp at gmail.com. The sender name is La Torre de los Comics. Array list, we put all the emails that we sent from ad controller to here. In array list, call it the same emails. The subject is new access. The message says you have new access to, and is the access that we sent from the ad controller, the ad controller to send email. We create a properties, proofs, we create as object sessions, we afford, we record all the elements from our array list, and we capture the exception, but it doesn't happen because we comprovate all the emails. When you register here, you have to put a real email because it doesn't work if you don't do it. If you don't it, if you doesn't it. We create a message, email message. We set a sender email. It's the Torre de los Comics, the corp at gmail.com. Sender name is La Torre de los Comics. The users that will be sent it is all the users from the array list. It's called dear client. Dear client. Email message subject is the new access. Email message is our message. Oh, sorry. It could be. Ah, no, it's okay. It's okay. The set message is our message. Now you have access to the access that we changed. We transported all the email, and it's all. Finally, we redirect to access to index of access, and we end with this class. Thank you.